everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Happy Tuesday, guys. I have not been able to get a Dollar Tree up here in a couple of weeks. I did finally make it out to the Dollar Tree. I picked up a few things, not a big haul, but some really cute stuff, some nice stuff for fall and everything. It has just been crazy. I have not been able to even think about making videos right now. Got so much stuff going on around this house trying to get things done, and it's just too much stress. So kind of had to put the videos on the back burner for a little bit, but hopefully I can get back on here and get things going again. But I want to get this haul up, so let me flip my camera around here and I'll show you what I got. Alright, like I said, small haul. Look, I usually have a giant pile of goodies here, but I do not this time. Didn't even want to look at all that stuff. Had to get in, had to get out because it's just busy. But my husband grabbed a couple of these. I put the other one away already. The V8s that he always gets. Nothing exciting there. What did he get this time? Strawberry, or apple strawberry fruit snacks. These are yummy. And then I grabbed another 2 bags of the long grain brown rice that I use to make stuff with. This is only $1 right now, a Dollar Tree, so I did grab a couple more of those. But that was it. That was all the exciting food things this week. I know you probably get tired of seeing them anyway, but that's my husband's thing usually, is the snacky snacks. Alright, for the plus section, I did grab another throw. I love their throw blankets. Let's pop this open. These are up to $7 now. They used to be $5 at one time, but I really do love them. They wash well. Yeah, so I don't mind. It's not bad. Let me pop this open so we can see it, because you can't see it. But these are 50 by 60 inches. These are perfect little throws just for like on the back of a chair or whatever. Now I don't know where the other end of those pokey things went. Anyway, I like the color of this. I like the nice dark background on it, this one. Because the other ones I had were like in a white, and I think this is just really pretty for fall. These are just incredibly soft. Like I said, they're not a really wintry warm blanket or anything, but they're so comfortable. It's like just enough. If you're watching TV or something and just need a little something, they're just enough. But look how pretty the leaves are on this one. Really pretty. Love it. So got me another one of those, and the first thing I always do when I get these, while I got it sticking out here, is take this dang tag off because I can't stand the tags on them. But what are these things? They're 100% polyester. But like I said, they wash so easy, and you know, they come out just as soft and nice. Always, pretty much, because I've had some for quite a few years now, and I wash them a lot, you know, because I got dogs and things, so they gotta get washed a lot. But anyway, that was $7. This was also $7. I thought this was so darn cute. Look how pretty. It kind of has like that opalescence kind of thing going on there. So cute. And his little eyes light up. And it comes with the batteries already in it. Let me shut this light off here for a sec. Probably see it a little bit better. Yeah. Ooh, look how pretty though. Just, you know, like with your evening lights or stuff in your living room, whatever, this is just going to look so nice. So, like I said, I'm going to do myself up a nice little shelf this year for Halloween, because I usually don't decorate a lot. You guys know that. But they got some, I like cute Halloween. I'm not into like really gory Halloween. Like some people love that stuff too. But, you know, these kind of things, I love them. I also picked up this candle. Now this was only $1.50. This also lights up and already has the batteries in it. And it changes colors. And I like it because some of these things, you know, they like to flash and go crazy. But this just kind of morphs all different colors. You know, real nice and slow here. Not gonna, you know, throw your head off if I can't stand the ones that flash. Because a lot of them, when they have these little candle things, they don't flicker, they flash. But this is cute. Look at the little ghosts and things on there. So that'll look nice. I have that little black haunted house that lights up that I got a few weeks ago. Probably a month ago now, since I haven't been there. So that'll look cute next to that. Let's see. I'll put that aside. I got these pumpkins. I thought these were really nice for $1.50. These are all fabric. This one says thankful on it. It has little beads and a little tag. But look how pretty those are. I really like these a lot. So I got this one, and then I got this one here. I like to just put these all over the house. Like, you know, one can go in the bathroom or on a shelf down the hallway or whatever. Just for a little something for fall. And because I mainly decorate for fall. So I said I'm going to do a little shelf for Halloween, but mainly for fall. I like probably soon start decorating for fall, and then that stuff can stay up till Christmas time. And then I got this one. Oh, this one's coming out. Get back in there. There we go. A little hot glue will do ya. Do they all say thankful? Yes. But yeah, but look how pretty. All nice squishy fabric. And then I also got this one. I think I got one of each one that they had. I don't know if there's any other colors, but yeah. Are they cute? Love, love, love. I picked these up. I'll probably use these. These are door hangers, but I will probably take these all apart and use these for different things. It's got these pretty little acorn bells, and then you got your pine cones on there, and then you have your jute string on your hanger and some pretty little leaves and berries. But yeah, I'm probably going to use these for different craft projects and just take them apart. But I mean, they're also nice if you want to hang one on a door. I do that a lot with their hanging things. And all the little, these are all different colors on these. This one's like a really dark, dark brown. That one was green, and then the orange one. But I think that was all the colors they had too. But I like those. I think they're nice to take things apart and put them back together, whatever I do. And then I picked this up because I just thought this was really cute with this doggy that says Happy Harvest. And you can either hang that or use this like in a little display of some sort for the holidays or for the fall holidays, whatever you want. Yeah, I'll probably take the hanger off. I don't know. Maybe I will hang it. I don't know. We'll see. But I just thought he was really cute. So I picked him up. And he was $1.50. Also got this pencil case. They have all the school stuff out, supplies out now. And this is like a silicone pencil case. I thought it was real pretty. They got a lot of really pretty colors in these. But yeah. So even if you got something on it, it'll probably wipe right out. But I have a lot of different pens, pencil thingies that I need to get organized. And I thought this would be nice to put some things into. My husband got this. He needs this to organize some things. That's just your regular notebooks that they have. So he got that. What did he get in here? 70 sheet notebook. So yeah, nothing fancy there. And then I did pick up 2 more of these paintbrushes. I already used one of them that I picked up. But these are the perfect size for where I'm working on my cabinets and stuff in the kitchen. Actually, I need another one of these. So this is the 1-inch paintbrushes. These things, these are like a workhorse paintbrush. I've used them, washed them, and used them like a million times. Maybe not a million, but several. But they're just really nice paintbrushes, and they have that nice wood handle to them. So I did get a couple more of these. I put the other one out in the kitchen already. And then I picked these up. I've never seen these before. These are Scotch-Brite pop-up sponges. They expand when you put them in water. I haven't tried it yet, but we'll see how much they expand. But I thought that was pretty cool. I don't know if it has a cleans. You can sanitize them in the dishwasher. Water-activated wonder, it says. But yeah, you get 3 of them in here. Let's open this up. I want to see. Wish I had water in here. I would have tried one of these, but I'll let you know. Maybe if I soak one in there, next time I come on, I'll bring it. So you have the one with the flowers here. Yeah, they're just these really compressed sponges. But what great way to store extra sponges. And then this one here with a pretty flower on it. I thought that was really cool. They kind of feel like cardboard when you get them, but I'm going to soak them in water. Maybe if I remember, I'll bring one back in here and show you guys. I don't know how long it takes. Let's see. Doesn't say. I wonder if you just put it in water and expand. I'm going to go out. I'm going to clean this stuff up and go out in a little pee. I will throw one of these in water and see what happens. I don't know how long. It doesn't really say. It just says the colors, let it dry, blah, 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 dishwasher safe. It doesn't say how long. But anyway, I'll do that when I go out to get little pee. We'll take this pretty little flower one out and soak it in some water and see what happens. But that is it. That's all I picked up this time at Dollar Tree. I'll put this stuff away. I'll go grab little P. I don't know what kind of mood he's going to be in because he just got done taking a bath. Oh, I did pick up 2 more of these things of the 70% alcohol that I've been using to clean a lot of stuff with too. But let me go grab him and I will be right back. All right, here comes little P. Say hi. He's actually dry already. It's a nice dry day today. It's not humid or anything. Finally. I know you're wondering what's in my hand. Anyway, I brought the sponge back. It only took like 2 seconds. Filled the sink up, or a bowl with some water and just tossed it in there. It had a smell to it. When I first did it, kind of reminded me like a burnt match. But put a little Dawn on it and it's gone. But it's a cute little sponge. I think these will be nice in the bathroom. I think that's where I'm going to keep these little suckers. And I have the other 2 compressed ones that I can just stick up in the cabinet until I'm ready for them. But yeah, this will be nice like around the bathroom sink and stuff. Yeah, very cute. I love that idea. But that's what they look like when they're not compressed anymore. Put my receipt away over here. So say hi, P. Tell everybody what you've been up to. Your nails need to be done. Your beak needs to be done. I need to make my appointments for my dogs to go to the vet because they're due for their shots. There's just never enough time to do everything. But yeah, I gotta do you. I might have to do you today because your nails are really crazy. Yes, your nails are crazy again. His nails and stuff grow so fast. Huh, and we hate doing them because you hate having them done. Say it's no fun. Somebody grab your toes, cut your nails. No. You got like little needles. Yeah, let me look. File this beak down a little bit too. He's been very good lately. I don't know what's going on. He's been hanging out. Do you want one of your toys? I don't want to sit here and just pet you. People want to see you. I know it's nap time again. We can't get this timed right with you on a video lately. Here, let's see what's in here. Oh, we got one of your big balls in here. Not interested? Really? All right. I'm sorry. I know. It's nap time. Yeah, do you want to... I know, you just want to be pet right now. Because I've been busy. And then you get upset when nobody's playing with you all day long. Huh. I know. But we've been busy, busy, busy. Your daddy's outside right now working on the carport still. He's out there painting away. Because that thing... We haven't done anything too much to that carport since we've lived here, and we've been here like 30 years, so he got it like half painted one time, but now he's painting a nice like a yellowish color, which is going to be looking really really sharp, really nice out there. Huh. This battery's getting ready to die. I don't understand. I just bought new batteries for this camera, and they still, I mean, it hasn't been that long. I don't know why these things don't want to keep a charge. What is... I don't want to sit and pet you all day long. I don't. And I don't know why my doggy's out there barking. The window shade must be up in the living room because she thinks she's in charge of watching the entire neighborhood and driving me crazy. So usually I have to go out there and shut the window shade or she will just drive Mama crazy, huh? Like you do sometimes. But he's been real good. He's been hanging out with the other birds, playing with the toys and stuff. Playing with Rosie's box because she loves cardboard boxes. So she likes to go in there and rip them apart. And he's actually been joining in, which is the first time in all these years, huh, Pay? Yeah. You starting to make friends? Yeah. I know. You just want to hang out with the people. That's your whole problem. Because you're spoiled. Yeah, you're still a little bit wet. What do you think? Well, don't bite me. That's not nice. You got a lot of pin feathers. I'm probably hurting them, huh? They're very pointy. All right, well, our battery's getting ready to die here, peace. So we're going to tell everybody to have a wonderful day. And hopefully when I get you in here the next time, it won't be nap time. But thanks so much for watching, everybody. We'll see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone. Say bye-bye.